So using this basic formula, we'll work out a few examples. Suppose length of the train is given as 80 meters. So this train is crossing a platform of 200 meters. So length of the platform is 200 meters. So train of length 80 meters, so is crossing a platform of length 200 meters and it is taking 7 seconds to cross this platform. So time taken equal to 7 seconds. So what is speed of this train? So now we are asked to find speed of the train. The length of the train is 80. It is crossing a platform of length 200 meters and time taken by the train to cross the platform is given as 7 seconds. So by using this basic formula, we will see how to find speed of the train. So here time equal to length of the train plus length of the object by speed of the train plus or minus speed of the object. Here time taken is given, so which is equal to 7 seconds, and length of the train which is 80 meters and length of the platform is 200 meters. So for the distance you have to add both length of the train and the length of the object. Here object is the platform. So divided by speed of the train plus or minus speed of the object. Here the object is stationary, so speed of the object is 0. So as speed of the object is 0, so we will have only one factor, that is speed of the train. So now we are asked to find speed of the train. So as time is given, so by interchanging these values, so speed of the train equal to the total distance, that is length of the train plus length of the platform, so 280 meters by 7 seconds. So here speed is, so speed of the train is 40 meters per second. So when you need the speed in kilometers per hour for the conversion, so you can multiply this with 18 by 5, a factor more than 1, greater than 1. So using this basic formula, we have found the speed of the train. So we'll work out one more example using this basic formula. So length of the train is 300 meters. So this train is moving with a speed of 55 kilometers per hour. So if suppose the question data is length of the train is 300 meters, so it is moving with the speed of 55 kilometers per hour. So this train is crossing a man who is walking in the opposite direction in which the train is moving. So the man is moving in opposite direction. So the speed of the man so 5 kilometers per hour. So now what is time taken by this train to cross the man who is walking in the opposite direction? So by using this basic formula, by substituting for all these values, you can find time taken by the train to cross the man. So here time taken is R, so take this as T. So what is the length of the train? It is 300 meters. So the object here is the man who is walking in the opposite direction. So as man's length is negligible, here length of the object is 0. So speed of the train is given as 55 kilometers per hour and the man is walking in the opposite direction. So relative speed will be sum of the speeds. Here both speeds are given in kilometer per hour and train length is given in meters. So we will convert the speed also kilometer per hour to meter per second. So with multiplying with the factor 5 by 18. And now 18 to the numerator. And by simplifying this, so time taken by the train to cross the man who is walking in the opposite direction is got as 18 seconds. So we have seen how to use this basic formula and find the values. And we'll see a few more examples using this basic formula and also how to work out using shortcuts. So we'll see the next example. A train crosses a man standing on the platform in 5 seconds. So the man crosses the same train which is standing in the station in 3 minutes. Find the ratio of the speed of the train to the man. So in this question, the train crosses a man who is standing on the platform in 5 seconds. So time taken by the train to cross a man is 5 seconds. And the man crosses the same train which is standing in the station in 3 minutes. So you are asked to find ratio of speed of train to the man. So we'll see the working. So again we have three factors: speed, time and distance. So train is crossing a man in 5 seconds and man is crossing the train in 3 seconds. So time varies. And also when the train is moving and in the next case the man is moving, so speed also will vary. The only common factor is the distance. So in both the data, distance is same. So as the train is crossing a man, so man's length is negligible, so distance will be equal to length of the train. So in both the data, length of the train remains same. So when the train is crossing a man, so we will find what is the length of the train calculated. So length here is the distance, which is speed into time. So here train is crossing a man. So in this case speed will be, so we will take speed of the train. And time taken is 5 seconds. And again when the man is crossing the train, so length of the train will be so here man is crossing the train. So again it is speed into time taken. So as here train is stationary and man is moving, speed will be equal to speed of the man into time taken. The man takes 3 minutes to cross the train. Here it is given in seconds and here it is in minutes. So convert this also to second by multiplying it with 60. So in both the data, length of the train is same. So by equating this data we get, so speed of train into 5 is equal to, here length of the train is speed of the man into 180. So you are asked to find ratio of speed of the train to speed of the man. So by sending this value here, So by simplifying, so the ratio of speed of train to speed of the man equal to 36:1. So in this question, distance is same. So distance is equal to length of the train. So in both the data, we have found the length of the train, where train crossing a man and man crossing a train. So equating, we have got the ratio of speed of train and man is equal to 36:1. So here the shortcut is, in this three variables, speed, distance and time. So the distance is constant in both the data. Here as the train is crossing a man, distance is equal to length of the train, so which remains unchanged. So for equating this, we can find the ratio of speed of train and man. So we'll see the next example. So we'll see the next example. A train starts from A to B and another from B to A at the same time. After crossing each other, they complete their journey in 16 hours and 9 hours respectively. If speed of the first train is 120 km per hour, find the speed of the second train. So in this question, so after crossing each other, time taken is given. So we'll see how to work out this type of questions. So we'll see the working. So before working the question, we'll understand what they have given and what is asked. So from two places, A and B, trains start at the same time and move towards each other. So we'll have that from A, train 1 starts, and from B, train 2 starts. So speed of the train from A is given as 120 kilometers per hour, and you are asked to find speed of the train B. So now after crossing each other, so the train from A takes 16 hours to reach B. And now the train from B, after crossing the train from A, takes 9 hours to reach A. So when you check here, after crossing each other, the train 1 takes 16 hours to reach its destination. On the train from B, that is the second train, after crossing the first train, it takes 9 hours to reach its destination. So as time taken by the first train is more, speed of the first train will be less, and time taken by the second train is less, speed of the second train will be more. So in this question, speed of first train is given and you are asked to find speed of the second train. So for this, working is somewhat complicated. So I will give you a simple shortcut how to work out this type of question where time is given after crossing each other. So here using a simple ratio, you can work it out. So when after crossing each other, time is, if it is given, so speed of both the trains, that is speed of first train and speed of second train, will be equal to root of time taken by the second train is to root of time taken by the first train. So what is the time taken by the second train to reach A? It is 9 hours. So root of 9. And what is time taken by the first train to reach B after crossing the second train? It is 16 hours, which is equal to 3:4. And speed of first train and second train will be in the ratio of 3:4. So speed of first train they have given us 120 kilometers per hour and speed of second train is needed. So now this speed will be in the ratio of 3:4. So speed of first and second is in the ratio 3:4. And speed of the first train is given as 120 kilometers per hour. The first train speed, that is 3 parts, is 120. So how did you get this 120 from 3? that is by multiplying with 40. So the same factor, when you multiply with the second part, that is 4 parts, so we get speed of the second train is 160 kilometers per hour. So now whenever after crossing each other time is given, so it will be lengthy calculations and complicated working. So simply you can use this ratio, which quickly you can arrive at the answer. So speed of two trains will be in the ratio of root of time taken by the other two trains. So speed of first train is to speed of second train will be equal to root of time taken by the second train is to root of time taken by the first train. So by using this simple ratio, you can find the speed of the train which is asked. So here speed of the second train is 160 kilometers per hour, so which is faster than the first train. So here it takes 9 hours less time than the first train 16 hours. So speed of the second train is more than the first train, that is 160 kilometers per hour. So here the shortcut is speed of both the trains. So speed of first train is to speed of second train is equal to root of time taken by the second is to root of time taken by 1. So which is equal to root of 9 is to root of 16, which is equal to 3 is to 4. So speed of first train, that is 3 parts, was given as 120. So what will be value of 4 parts? So obviously 160. So speed of the second train is 160 kilometers per hour. So we will see another example. So here the question is, so without stoppages, a train travels certain distance with an average speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and with stoppages it covers the same distance with an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. What is the stoppage time per hour? So we will see the working. So speed of the train without stoppages speed of the train is 72 kilometers per hour. So speed of it with stoppage is equal to 60 kilometers per hour. So you are asked to find the stoppage time per hour. So with the stoppage, it covers 12 kilometers less. Due to these stoppages, so time taken to cover this 12 kilometers will be time taken is calculated by distance by speed. So here distance is, it is running short of 12 kilometers. So distance is 12 and speed is 72. So here stoppage time per hour is 1/6 of an hour. And to convert it into minutes, so multiply it with 60. So here stoppage time per hour is 10 minutes. So due to stoppage, it covers 12 kilometers less, and time taken to cover this 12 kilometers is, so distance is 12 and speed is 72, so which is 1/6 of an hour or 10 minutes. So we'll see the next concept.